So a lot has been accomplished in the past week for Hangtime. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna walk through every single bit of new track that has shown up in the past week. So the entirety of the station track and brake run are completed now. They're just putting up catwalks, as you can see right there. But the turnaround with the drive tires are there, and here's the station track right there. So there is the last brake run and the station in the forefront. So the last section of the brakes up top have been put in as well. So nothing's changed on this side of the Cobra roll, but the other side of the Cobra roll, as you can see it right there, has been put in and goes all the way to the brake run. The negative G stall loop has also been finished. It goes all the way through. Looking pretty massive, actually, to be completely honest. I'm hoping to get some good negative G's up there. Here is also the beginning of the brake run. It comes out of the Cobra roll, which is, oh, I can't find it. There's a tree in the way. That's the end of the Cobra roll. It comes down and then it goes right there. There are still people doing work at this moment in time, but there's the bottom of the negative G stall loop. So there is the end of the Cobra roll right there behind that guy. Yeah, it's looking great. I love how they've made the drop this centerpiece, even from this area of the park. It looks amazing. But there's been a lot of progress in the past week, so we'll see what happens in the next week or so. So accelerator is still down. Evan, show me your sad face. Oh, that's actually really sad. But yeah, accelerator is still down. Probably not gonna open until like February at the earliest, I've heard. So yeah, we're without a good launch until then, really.